The real estate market today is best described as being served a prime piece of steak on a plate, hot and sizzling. Everyone is looking to upgrade or purchase second properties, as Singapore continues to position itself as one of the most secure real estate markets to grow and preserve your wealth. Bank interest rates are low and affordable, which makes borrowing so attractive. Today, we share what you must know in order to take advantage of low interest rates and, most importantly, how to maximize your loan. Let's get into it.
If you are purchasing your first property, the maximum loan is 75%. If you are buying a second property, the maximum loan is 45%. This is based on a few assumptions. Number 1, you are taking a 30-year loan. And number 2, the combined age of the borrower and loan tenure is 65. Now, in order to achieve maximum loan, here are the main points to consider. The most important consideration banks will assess is your total debt servicing ratio, in short for TDSR. Simply put, the more liabilities you have, the less you can borrow. This is because banks feel you will have reduced capability to repay if they loan you more. Some examples of these liabilities are car loans and credit card loans. Clearing these liabilities will free up and lessen your TDSR, which will then increase your loan.
Number 2, having a good credit score or rating. So even if you choose to keep your existing liabilities, banks will then assess if you make prompt repayments. So if you are constantly receiving reminders for late payments, banks will see this as a credit risk and may lower their loan amount to you. Purchasing a property involves early planning. Make regular and prompt repayments on all your loans. It will not only help in your loan assessment when you want to buy a property, but also train your financial prudence.
Number 3, if you are still unable to get the max loan, you can consider these two options. The first is to pledge a certain amount of money with the bank as a fixed deposit for 4 years. Banks will recognize this as their assessment to consider giving you a higher loan. Secondly is to unpledge or show proof of funds. You will need to show banks a specific amount in your bank account at 2 instances. Once at the letter of offer issued from the bank, and next before loan disbursement. For these two methods, it is best to seek advice from your banker so they can provide the exact amounts needed.
Mortgage loan rates are ranging from 1 to 1.5% today, which makes it attractive to borrow to purchase real estate that are generating much higher capital gains today. So make your money work hard for you and reap the rewards later on.
We hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you!